Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well today. My name is Brad Cartwright and I'm a teacher of IB Economics here in Santiago, Chile. And this video will tell you all about the upcoming IB Economics teacher workshop called Teaching Macroeconomics. For all of the updated information on the date, the time, and how to enroll in the workshop, click on the link in the description box below. And just before you watch this introductory video, just let me tell you really clearly that all teacher workshops are designed to fill the gap between what the IB expects us to do and how to actually do it in the IB Economics classroom. This 3-hour workshop is designed for new and experienced IB economic teachers who are looking for practical teaching strategies to effectively teach macroeconomics. Together, we will look at all of the content, all of the skills, all of the analysis, the evaluation, and the pacing strategies in order for you to feel calm in the classroom and to ensure student success. Ultimately, like all of the workshops on this platform, they're designed to empower you, to make you feel calm, to make you know that what you are doing with the students is ultimately adding up to student success on the IB exam. Because let's face it, the IB is genius curriculum. But here's the thing, there is a massive gap between what the IB expects us to do and how to actually do it in the classroom. And this workshop is designed to help you fill that gap.